Now, let me show you how you can close the bubbles or overlays on your Android phone. So recently there has been the feature added to your Messages app. So if you use the Google Messages on your phone, it's possible that you have some things going on, like some different chats work as the bubbles, which are like floating around, and you can turn them off. But to do that, just get inside of the Google Messages app and click on your profile picture. So it might be somewhere in the top right corner or in this part of the phone. Just click on yourself in here, and we are now inside of the menu, and below we have the messages settings, right? And as you can tell, I have the RCS chats, notifications, and so on, and one of the features is the bubbles, right? So as you can see, for me it is selected to none, but you can select some specific conversations which it's going to work with only, or enable it for all of them, right? But if you want to disable the bubbles entirely, go to the and select the none option, and it's just not going to appear on your phone anymore. So that's something I would recommend you to do. Let me know if it actually worked on your device. Thanks a lot for watching.